Testing again. I like testing. I just set, so I'm looking at Amir's testing results on this thing. He's got volume up because he's using the other volume setting, so it reads like 82.5. 82.5. Sorry, that's 80. That's 80. I must have, my dimension must be pretty bad today. Okay, just set that 82.5. I've just been speaking to a friend how to test the. Just turn the sine wave off. Just turn that off for a sec. How to test the how to test with the multimeter. I mean, I know how to test with the, but I think I've got to be looking at oh gosh, is it millivolts? Is it millivolts? You know, so that the signal is at a certain reference level on the input. So the input signal is, you know, it's not clipping, so to speak. It's not clipping, so therefore it's going to cause some strange jagged edge. Gosh, how do I go about this? Yeah. Sorry, I think at times I'm suffering from early stages of dementia and I'm having problems thinking. I'm not an idiot. Okay, so let me see the probes. Let me undo that. Okay, just resume. So got the camera on hands-free. So one on ground, or negative. Where's the flipping? Where's the? Oh, yeah, it's there. So I should be looking for a voltage input on the so if I can get a signal. Okay, alright, getting a signal there, 0.5. 0.5, fluctuating between 5 and 6. Okay, let's increase the level on the, right, okay, I'm seeing something. So hang on, seeing 0.1, that must be 1 volt, or is it, oh, is it the other way, or am I doing my math totally wrong here? Let me just get a 1, just a 1, 0.01.0, and the level on the computer is 64, but I guess that's neither here or there, because I've got a referencing the levels on the what's it, because I know between the REM and the true RTA, if I play a 1 kilohertz sine wave and have the volume level, the levels at -20, the level is not the same. You've got to adjust one or the other to counterbalance to get the same signal level, because they're not alike. Their outputs, output is a little bit different. But I'm getting a signal there. You can see it on the there. Getting a signal there. That's a 6 kilohertz sine wave. Let's go down to, let's get this, yeah, adjusted. Yeah. Whoopsie. Hands free. Huh. Okay, let's get my mouse. Scroll down the frequency. And go down to 1 kilohertz. Yeah, voltage gone up just slight little bit. 1 point. Okay, gotcha. Just adjust it there on the output on the computer, just to trim. Okay, I've got 0 point. Okay, let's pause that for a sec. Okay, connected back to the oscilloscope. So, that lead's coming out from the Sony. Gosh, maybe I should just connect directly out onto the output. Because that's another thing to reference check that I totally forgot about. Because all the leads are all in here, so I have to take a pulling this out and then just getting a makeup lead with an RCA on the end with bare end wires or whatever, so I can plug it into one of the outputs and then connect it onto the oscilloscope, and then I know, okay, yeah, that signal is blah blah there, and because this is variable here. And if I've got the volume at a certain level, 82.5, I'm not sure what 82.5 is. Let's have a look. So I'll set that back to scale dB. Okay, I'm at, right, according to that, that's 2.5 dB. Okay, that's 0 dB now. Okay, let's just adjust the, that's 1 kilohertz sine wave. Okay, let's go up to, that's 2 kilohertz, that's 4 kilohertz. Oh, it looks okay there. Go up higher, 5 kilohertz. Yeah, it's looking alright. Okay, it's looking okay, I think. That's 6 kilohertz. It's gone down a bit in amplitude there. Kind of stepped down a bit there. Gone to 8 kilohertz. It's gone up a bit. What's going on there then? But I don't see any jagged. At least I can't see any that's visible. I can't see any bending or leaning. So that's the sine wave, 6.300 kilohertz.
Columbia Pictures presents Jet Bridges, Glenn Close, Jagged Edge.
God, oh, fucking sine wave does my ears in. That's too audible, you know. It has to be reduced in level. So I'm not sure if I've been jumping the gun. But okay. Checked it there on the voltmeter. Because obviously you gotta have your input. It's the same with the amplifiers. I know the input signal has got to be not overdone too much, otherwise it will cause soft clipping. And then the amplifier is the amplifier to give dynamic range. You just turn it up there to give dynamic range. I can't put too much input signal to give dynamic range, otherwise it's going to start clipping the amplifier, whether it be at low volume level or if it's at high level. At some point it's going to do something there. You've got to have a balance sort of thing. So I think that's more or less, I think that's okay. So, but this is still the demon. Why? That's a camera print screen of the thing of the when I first got the demon 8500, and after I did the firmware update, bam, I get green screen, puke green. I thought I needed to do a friggin' exorcism. Yeah, I thought I had to do the exorcism on this, and you know, as it turned out, it was totally corrupted. Anyway, so I think that's okay. I might do some other tests and see what goes on.